Welcome to Turbo Vision Talk. Get ready for an exciting ride as we break down features, performance, and everything you need to know about the newest cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Eco-friendly cars. The shift towards sustainable and recyclable materials. The automotive industry is undergoing a transformation, with the focus increasingly shifting towards eco-friendly vehicles. While electric and hybrid cars are the leading charge, another crucial aspect of this green revolution is the use of sustainable and recyclable materials in car manufacturing. It's no longer just about cutting emissions, it's about creating vehicles that are environmentally responsible throughout their entire life cycle. In this video, we are exploring how car manufacturers are embracing sustainable and recyclable materials, and what this shift means for the future of transportation. Why materials matter in car production. Most people associate a car's environmental impact with the emission it produces, but there's much more to it. The materials used to build the cars also play a significant role. Traditional cars are made using metals, plastics, and other synthetic materials, which are energy intensive to produce and often contribute to pollution and waste. This is where sustainable materials come in. By rethinking the components of a car, manufacturers can reduce the environmental impact, not only during production but also at the end of the vehicle's life. Using recycled or renewable materials means fewer resources are consumed, less waste is created, and the overall carbon footprint is reduced. The rise of alternative materials. One of the most exciting aspects of this shift is the rise of alternative, eco-friendly materials. Let's look at some of the key sustainable materials that are making their way into modern vehicles. Number 1. Recycled plastics. Plastics are a huge part of car production, but they come with a significant environmental cost. Many companies are now using recycled plastics to minimize waste. These plastics come from sources like old water bottles, ocean waste, and even discarded car parts. Once recycled, they are transformed into components such as seat fabrics, dashboards, and bumpers. BMW has integrated recycled plastics into many of their electrical models, reducing reliance on virgin materials and cutting down on the energy required for production. Number 2. Natural fibers. Natural fibers like flax, hemp, and canaf are increasingly being used in car interiors and structural components. These fibers are not only biodegradable but also lighter than their synthetic counterparts, contributing to better fuel efficiency and lower energy consumption in electric vehicles. Car parts like door panels and dashboards are already being made with these materials, which are renewable and have much smaller environmental footprint. Number 3. Bio-based materials. Bio-based materials, which are derived from renewable sources such as plants, are another important development. For example, bioplastics made from corn starch or sugarcane are used in various parts of the car, including interior components and exterior trims. These materials are biodegradable, meaning they break down more easily than traditional plastics. Ford, for instance, uses soy-based foam in its seats and headrests. This not only reduces the use of petroleum-based materials but also demonstrates that bio-based products can be just as durable and comfortable as conventional options. Number 4. Aluminum and high-strength steel. Aluminum and high-strength steel are gaining popularity due to their recyclability and lightweight properties. Aluminum is much lighter than traditional steel, which is especially important in electric vehicles where reducing weight improves battery efficiency. Companies like Tesla and Jaguar use aluminum in their electric cars' frames. Aluminum's key advantage is that it can be recycled repeatedly without losing its strength. High-strength steel, on the other hand, allows manufacturers to use less material while still maintaining the structural integrity of the vehicle, which also helps to reduce weight. Green interiors, leather and fabric options. The interior of a car is also seeing a sustainability makeover. particularly when it comes to seats and upholstery. Traditionally, leather has been the go-to material for luxury interiors, but it comes with environmental challenges due to the impact of livestock farming and the chemical-intensive tanning process. Number 1. Vegan leather. A more sustainable alternative is vegan leather, which is now being offered by many car makers. This material is typically made from synthetic sources like polyurethane or more innovative materials derived from plants, such as mushrooms or pineapple leaves. Vegan leather eliminates the environmental concerns associated with traditional leather while still providing the luxurious look and feel that drivers expect. Tesla has moved to completely vegan leather interiors in all of their models, reflecting the growing demand for cruelty-free and eco-friendly car materials. Number 2. Recycled fabrics. Recycled fabrics are becoming increasingly popular in eco-friendly vehicles. Many manufacturers are using materials made from recycled plastics, like water bottles, to create seat fabrics, carpets, and other interior elements. This helps reduce plastic waste and creates a closed-loop system where materials are reused instead of discarded. Toyota and Nissan have incorporated recycled fabrics into some of their electric and hybrid models, showing that sustainability can be stylish and comfortable. Recyclability and the end of a car's life. A car's environmental impact does not end when it leaves the showroom floor. At the end of a car's life, many vehicles are scrapped and the materials end up in landfills. The shift towards recyclable materials helps close the loop on a vehicle's life cycle. Number 1. Circular economy. The concept of a circular economy is becoming more prominent in the automotive industry. This approach focuses on designing cars that can be dismantled and recycled at the end of their lives, reducing waste and conserving resources. By using materials that can be easily reused, manufacturers are ensuring that fewer cars will end up as waste. Volvo is a company that's fully embracing this model. They have committed to making 25% of the plastics in their vehicles from recycled materials by 2025. This commitment helps reduce the amount of virgin materials needed, lowering the overall environmental impact. Number 2. Battery recycling. As electric vehicles become more common, the challenge of what to do with used batteries has grown. EV batteries are packed with valuable materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel. Extracting these from the earth has a significant environmental cost, so finding ways to recycle them is essential. Fortunately, companies like Redwood Materials are developing advanced recycling techniques to recover these materials from old batteries. This not only reduces the need for new mining operations, but also ensures that electric vehicle production becomes more sustainable over time. Challenges and the road ahead. While the shift towards sustainable material is promising, there are still some hurdles to overcome. One of the main challenges is cost. Eco-friendly materials, especially those that are newly developed or less common, can be more expensive than traditional options. However, as production methods improve and more companies adopt these materials, costs are expected to come down. Another challenge is consumer awareness and acceptance. Some consumers may be skeptical of materials they are not familiar with, or they may question whether these materials are as durable or luxurious as traditional options. Car manufacturers will need to continue educating the public about the benefits of sustainable materials, both for the environment and for long-term vehicle performance. Conclusion. The move towards sustainable and recyclable materials in car manufacturing is a crucial step in the effort to create a more eco-friendly automotive industry. From recycled plastics and bio-based materials to vegan leather and natural fibers, manufacturers are finding innovative ways to reduce the environmental impact of their vehicles. As the world shifts towards electric vehicles, the material used in these cars will become even more important in shaping a greener future. With a focus on recyclability and circular economy practices, the cars of tomorrow will not only produce fewer emissions but will also be built and dismantled in ways that minimize environmental harm. This revolution in material is just one part of the broader push for sustainability, but it's a critical one. By embracing these changes, the automotive industry is moving closer to a future where cars are as green as the roads they drive on.